Hello viewers, welcome back to GOWRI Ram's Kitchen. Today we are going to see traditional recipe, that is Godsa kadan. It is very yummy and also main dish for rice. Now let's see how to make it. Before going to the video, if you like, please do like, share and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you. For making this Godsa kadan, take a pan and pour little oil to it. For tempering, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. After the mustard seeds got crackled, add curry leaves. After that, add small onions, 1 cup. I have mashed that with grinding spoon. So that no one to chop the small onions. Fry the small onions until it turns to golden brown in color. Now let's add half teaspoon asafoetida. Mix it well. Then you can see that the onions have turned to golden brown in color. At this stage you can add chopped potatoes. I have taken 3 to 4 potatoes. This is quite big one. You have to fry the potato. Along with this potatoes, I am going to add 2 big drumsticks. Mix it well and fry it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes of deep frying, I am going to add 1 cup of chopped tomatoes. Mix it well. After sauteing it for 5 minutes, let's add other ingredients. Now I am going to add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon chili powder, required amount of salt, mix it well. After mixing, pour 3 glasses of water and close it with a lid. Close it with a lid and let it cook for 5 minutes.
Now take a mixer and add coconut. Now I have taken 1 cup of grated coconut. To that I am going to add little amount of water. And now I am going to grind it into a paste.
You can see that the gravy starts boiling. At this stage, you have to pour the grinded coconut. Mix it well. Finish it with coriander leaves. Make sure the salt and chili powder in the recipe is correct. Now we are going to make cucumber salad. For that, take 2 cucumbers, slice 2 pieces like this. Add half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of pepper powder. Mix it well. I have taken this as side dish for Godsa kadan. You can either have this or papad. our tasty Godsa kadan is ready. If you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe and comment below. Today our lunch is Godsa kadan along with pepper cucumber, curd and vadumanga pickle, white rice and lemon rasam. If you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe and comment below. Thank you.